To save a PowerPoint document as a PDF is super simple, and this works on both PC and on Mac. You can see here I have my sample PowerPoint in front of me. What I want to do is in the top left-hand corner, select on File, scroll all the way down to where it says Export, and then the first option here is create a PDF/XPS document. Then we're going to hit on this button here, Create PDF. It's going to open up a dialog box, and then you're just going to choose where to save it. For this example, I'll save it into my OneDrive. If I drop down the save type as, I can choose between a PDF or an XPS, and then of course I can add the name, and then I'm going to simply select on Publish. Give it a couple of seconds. Depending on how big your PowerPoint is, it might take a little bit longer than that. And then you'll see it has now exported. Let's jump over to my OneDrive, and you'll see here we now have that PowerPoint demo as a PDF document. If we open this guy up, you can see this is the PDF of the PowerPoint document, and it's that easy. Another way to do this is going back to our PowerPoint file, selecting in the file in the top left-hand corner, scrolling down to where it says Save a Copy, and then you'll see here you have you can choose where you want to save it, whether it's your OneDrive, whether it is this PC. But if we drop down the menu here where you can rename it, you can also choose so many different versions of saving it. So it could be a PowerPoint, could be a macro enabled or an older version. And then of course you have PDF here, and then you can simply choose where you want to save it. I'm going to call this PowerPoint demo online 2, hit the save option. And again, this is going to take a couple of seconds to save it as a PDF. Jump back into my OneDrive, and you see I've got the same export over here, but I've just called it online number 2. So that's another way of exporting it. And the third way is going File, scrolling down to where it says Print, and then you can choose here, the printer could be Print to PDF. Again, if we hit Print, this will print it as a PDF, and it will open up the printing dialog box, and you can go ahead and choose how to save it as a printout. This works just as well. The option I typically use is the export option, and then hitting the create PDF/XPS. But those are 3 different ways that you can save a PowerPoint document as a PDF. Of course, if you like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. If you want to supercharge your computer, hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.